Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Bake It.
Do you have your whisk and apron ready? We'll be whipping up wild berries muffins with a streusel topping. Preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For your muffin batter, you'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, butter, eggs, wild berries. I have wild blueberries, haskaps, and sea buckthorn. Prep your muffin mold by adding muffin liners. In a bowl, combine the milk, the eggs, and the melted butter. Set aside. In a small bowl, coat the berries in half a cup of flour and set aside. In another bowl, sift together the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and the salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and whisk until combined. Make sure not to overmix and to leave the batter clumpy. Fold in the berries, making sure not to overmix once again. Fill the muffin liners to about 3/4 of their capacity and set aside. It's now time to make the streusel topping. You'll need flour, brown sugar, puffed quinoa, butter. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients and mix with a fork until the formation of a crumbly texture. generously sprinkle the streusel topping over the muffin batter. Bake in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the muffin comes out clean. The only thing that's left to do now is
enjoy the muffin.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun and found this entertaining, all the while learning a new recipe. If you enjoyed, go click that subscribe button, like, and don't forget to comment what you'd like to see on a new episode of
Bake It.